How to view authorized users on Bank of America account. Let's get started. Launch your preferred browser. Now, in the search box, type in bankofamerica.com and then search for it. You will be directed to the official website of it. Now, click on the option of Login. You will be directed to the login page. Now, go ahead and provide your credentials and then log into your account. Once logged in, click on the credit card or debit card account from the account section. On your credit card or debit card account page, find the Services or Account Settings tab. Under the Settings or Services section, look for Authorized Users or Manage Authorized Users. You will see a list of all authorized users added to your credit or debit card account, along with their details, name and status. If you want to add or remove an authorized user, you can do it so directly from this page by selecting the appropriate option. Next, you can use Bank of America customer service. You can dial 1-800-432-1000 or 1-315-724-4022. Request to speak to a customer service representative and ask for information about the authorized users on a credit card or bank account. Be prepared to verify your identity by providing account details like your account number, name, date of birth, and answer to security questions. Ask your representative to provide a list of full authorized users associated with your account. You can also ask them to add or remove authorized users during this call if necessary. So, that's a wrap for this video. If this video helped you, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching.